karag-karag, welcome back to my vlog. Sa magandang umaga sa inyong lahat mula dito sa Lasak City. Sayang itong pasikwi na binuposal na pag-gown ko mga karag-karag kung hindi ko na ituloy yung pagkachismosa ko sa mundo ng beauty pageant. Dahil ito na nga mga latest kaganapan ngayon na pinag-uusapan din na mga active na mga chismoso at mga chismosa sa social media na kung saan Miss World Philippines 2024. Hindi nga ba type si Krishna mga karag-karag dahil laging ligwak si Krishna sa mga kaganapan ngayon sa Miss World Philippines 2024, lalo na yung Beauty with Purpose na kung saan, panoorin niyo ito.
Hello, good afternoon.
Your advocacy is unique. I'm impressed.
Thank you.
Simple yet profound. You mentioned that you have advocates already who are doing what you're doing. Can you tell us how far and wide has your advocacy reached? How many young people and what platforms are you using to spread this color the world with kindness?
Thank you for that question. So, I am now harnessing the power of social media. Back in early 2023, I started being active on our social media platforms, specifically Facebook and Instagram. And some of the volunteers are also here now. So, hello, they're there. So, most of them are students. And we've all gathered because we have similar situations. I didn't mention in my video, but it was in my original video. It was cut because it was so long. But I've always had a close affinity with the youth because it stems out from my own childhood experiences. I can say that I can relate more to them with their life stories. That's why now we have a total of 17 youth volunteers. We do our programs whenever we are available. So we collaborated with PIA. Sorry for that. We collaborated with PIA Animal Care. Also, we do regularly visit Barangay Happy Hollow community. And then also for environmental activities, we collaborate with local government units, specifically in Baguio City and also in Cavite. Thank you.
Any last question? Thank you so much, Ms.
Thank you so
Baguio.
much. Good afternoon. I'm Krishna Marie Gravides from Baguio City. My Beauty with a Purpose is colored World with Kindness. Now, you might be wondering why I called it Color the World with Kindness. It started back in August 2022 when I donated 45 sets of crayons to the children of Barangay Happy Hollow community in Baguio City. That's why I call it Color the World with Kindness, as a tribute to that initiative. So Color the World with Kindness is established to encourage the young people to pay forward the kindness that they received, just like how I'm also paying it forward through art, self-expression, and environmental stewardship. The goal of this campaign is to create a future where every child has a chance to strive, where every act of kindness sparks a chain reaction, and every small step leads to monumental change. So I'm hoping that you'll see the hard work, the sincerity, the genuineness, and how dear this campaign is to my heart. So thank you so much for
Yan ang mga karag-karag, narinig na ninyo si Krishna. Magiging reaction ko wala. Bugo kog English. Uy, mas na-stress na naman ang hemoglobin sa cell membrane ni Kuragan. 50% lang ba yung dugong dumadaloy dito sa utak ko. Tapos English na. Ay, kalmahan natin yan. Ibigay ko sa inyo yung reaction mga karag-karag sa mga matatalino dyan at pinanganak na may talaga 10 to 1,000 katalinuhan. Share naman kayo dyan. Hirap kaya. Wala. So ito mga karag-karag, ang mga juicy na mga chismis ngayon na pinagchichismisa ng mga active na mga chismosa at mga chismosa sa social media. Kaya daw naligwak ito lagi si Krishna sa mga ganap sa Miss World Philippines 2024 dahil nga daw may hindi pagkakaunawaan yung team ni Krishna at ng Miss World Philippines organization. Baka daw pinersonal itong si Krishna mga karag-karag. Yun yung nasagap ko na mga pasabog na mga pachika sa social media. Pero kung may alam kayo dito sa mga chismis na to, comment down below. Ako, gusto ko siyang lumaban sa Hispano-Americana. Doon siya nababagay, mga karagdag, sa sariling opinion ko lang. Doon kaya talaga niya makipagsikuhan sa mga Latinas beauty, ang beauty ni Krishna. Sa Miss World, ambot lang. Mas bagay talaga siya sa Hispano-Americana, mga karagkarag. Ewan ko sa inyo kung magkapareho ba tayo ng obserbasyon. Ingay tayo sa comment section. Sino ang beat niyong manalo sa Miss World Philippines 2024? Ako hindi ko sila nasundan. Si Chris na lang yung chinecheck ko. And thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.